Well, yesterday ended up being a dud. Well, one of the things that happened, we had everything already prepared. I had the mashed potatoes already done, and it was more than be able to feed 50 people. But spoiler alert, I'm gonna be eating 50. I'm gonna be eating mashed potatoes for the next 2 to 3 weeks because I'm. Oh my god, I made so much. Well, anyways, the way it happened yesterday, we had everything already squared away. Of course, my daughter was at work. Rosa was tied up at the computer, but we still had more than enough time. We put everything in the car, put the car in. We already parked the car outside, ready to go. Had everything already set up. Uh, Once Rosa finished, we go to pick up my daughter, and we almost got into an accident. Chinelas, honestly, this. Okay, just to keep it PG, someone decided to exit in the middle of rushing traffic and got in front of me. Luckily, I was able to honk and they were able to get into the sidewalk to avoid an accident. Because if not, today I'll be telling you that, well, yesterday sucked because I had an accident, but yesterday sucked because now we have so much mashed potatoes. One of the things is that after that, we parked, waiting for our daughter to get off work. 30 minutes later, waiting for my daughter to get off work. An hour afterwards, waiting for her to get to work, and then she ended up getting out of work probably 2.5 hours later. Of course, it's not her fault that it happened. So we did let my sister know along the way that we were technically stuck in the parking lot for the 2.5 hours, just waiting for my daughter to get out. Retail, doesn't it suck? And you know it's true. So one of the things is that afterwards, unfortunately, she did mention that it was a little bit too late. We were already approaching 9:10. So by the time they would have gotten there, it would have been 9:30. So it was an inappropriate time. So of course, all of us are bummed. My wife, my daughter, my son. It's gonna be my wife, my son, and my daughter, and she felt guilty, but it's not her fault, and you know it's true. We ended up going. We were gonna go to some Mexican taco place, but it was closed or looked closed, and we didn't want to do the same thing that they were doing to the retail store. After that, we went to Freddy's. Everything looked open. We touched the door and it was locked. So of course we're not gonna be there like idiots looking through the window. You still open? And then luckily we went to Old Reliable, Jack in the Box. 20, 20 years ago, uh, we had one of the most unique Thanksgivings, and Jack in the Box was there. Uh, and then, of course, this time around, Jack in the Box was there again. We still have a little bit of horror story about them, but overall, they were there. Now I just woke up early. The dogs are walking, doing their business. It's a little bit chilly outside, so I'll keep this short. But happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully the cooking goes well. Hopefully you enjoy your time. And today is the most special, one of the most special days because we're putting up the Christmas tree, and you know that's an event. We're gonna be watching 4 Christmas movies in a row. Of course, it's a Christmas story, classic. You cannot miss that. We've been doing that for actually 18 years, 17 years. Now the kids know it's a tradition. It's a non-negotiable. Christmas stories on Thanksgiving Day, non-negotiable. That one's not going to be sacrificed at all. Of course, we do have Elf. My son put what's it called, Die Hard in there. He finally saw it. He thought my son and daughter thought it was boring the first time we tried to introduce him to them, but now they're fans. And then I think I forget the last one. Um, it's not Love Actually. That one gets kicked out all the time. There's another movie. I forgot the other movie because they did mention four, and we just spit them out real fast. It's a little bit early, you know. So if you're watching this early in the morning, why the heck are you awake this early? Well, happy Thanksgiving and enjoy. Don't eat too much and have a good time.